Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Sara Lee pumpkin pie with pumpkin and spices. We've got everything that we need assembled here, which is your pie. We're going to need a baking sheet. If you do not have a baking sheet, use a few pieces of foil folded up on themselves so that it's nice and thick. And then we're also going to need some strips of foil and a food thermometer. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is very important. We're gonna put our baking sheet into the oven while we're preheating it. So go ahead and do that first. Now that we've got our baking sheet in our oven and we're preheating it, we're gonna go ahead and open up our pie. Next thing that we're going to do is take our strips of foil and we're actually going to cover our outer edge of the crust here. This is optional, but if you do not like a very done crust and you want it to still be like a light color, I would suggest that you do this. We can always take it off during the last 10 or 15 minutes of cooking, but for me personally, I don't like to see a very dark crust, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. If you don't want that, go ahead and skip this part. All right, now that we have got our foil on the edges, we're going to go ahead and pop this into our oven onto our preheated baking sheet for 70 to 75 minutes. We basically want the center 4 to 5 inches of the pie to still have a little bit of a gelatinous shake to it whenever you jiggle the pie, but you want the outer edges to be firmly set. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, so it has been about 88 minutes in my oven and I think that we are finally done. I did stop at about the hour mark and take off the foil from around the edges of my pie just so that it could get a little bit of color on it but not get too done. And we're looking for an internal temperature here of 180 degrees, so I'm just gonna go ahead and check that to make sure. All right, so we have just reached that. So for me, this took 88 minutes. For you, it could take less, it could take more. Just keep an eye on how wiggly and jiggly your pie is, because for me, the entire pie was very wiggly, almost up until the very last minute, whereas you just want that inner part to be a little bit jiggly. So definitely keep an eye on that. But here is our completed Sara Lee pumpkin pie. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.